Welcome to Daad Academy, your learning journey with us in e-commerce and e-business. You can achieve a better understanding and success in businesses through following key learning strategies. Active learning and application. It's crucial to actively engage with the material, not just passively consume it. Practical application of learned concepts through projects, simulations, or a real-world experiment solidifies the understanding and reveals the nuances that theoretical learning alone cannot provide. Staying current with the trends. The digital marketplace is constantly evolving. Keeping abreast of latest trends, technologies, and consumer behaviors is essential. This could involve subscribing to industry newsletters, attending webinars, or participating in relevant online communities. Networking and collaboration. Building a network with fellow learners, industry professionals, and mentors can provide invaluable insights, support, and opportunities. Collaboration and sharing of experiences with peers can also lead to a deeper understanding and innovative approaches to common challenges. Leveraging analytics and feedback. Regularly analyzing the performance data from your business initiatives and soliciting the customer feedback helps in understanding what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach enables the continuous improvement and informed decision-making. Adopting a customer-centric approach. Understanding and prioritizing the customer needs and experiences is a key to success in e-commerce and e-business. This involves not only studying the customer behavior but also actively engaging with and listening to your customer base. Continuous learning and adaptability. The learning journey doesn't end with a course or a certification. Continuous learning and adaptability are critical in an ever-changing field like e-commerce. This means being open to new ideas, willing to experiment, and ready to pivot strategies as the market evolves. Implementing ethical and sustainable practices. Incorporating the ethical considerations and sustainable practices into the business strategies not only contributes to a better world but also resonates with the modern consumers, building trust and loyalty. Embracing technology. Utilizing the right technological tools and platforms can significantly enhance efficiency and reach. Whether it's through advanced e-commerce platforms, marketing tools, or analytics software, leveraging the technology is pivotal. Personal development. Skills like critical thinking, problem solving, leadership, and effective communication are just as important as technical knowledge. Personal development in these areas can greatly enhance business acumen and success. Dear learners, by integrating these learning strategies into your learning journey, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of e-commerce and e-business in the digital era. This in turn empowers you to build successful, sustainable, and competitive businesses in the digital marketplaces. Share your thoughts below in the comments, and if you are new, join our global community of learners and achievers. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.